If you want to cancel your Klarna free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Klarna account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to your subscriptions. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Subscriptions or Manage Subscriptions. This is where you can find details about your current free trial. Step 3. Select the free trial. In the Subscriptions section, locate the free trial you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the trial. Step 4. Choose to cancel. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Trial or End Subscription. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Klarna free trial before it converts into a paid subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for assistance.